In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the work done by a variable force. So we have an example problem here with an applied force that varies with position according to f of x equals 6x squared minus 4x, and we want to find the work done by this force on an object as the object moves from x equals 1 to x equals 3 meters. So the definition of the work by a variable force is the integral of the force vector function dotted with the dx displacement vector. And so what we have here is a force that is in the x direction and a displacement that is also in the x direction. So the angle between the two of those is 0. So if we use the dot product function or the dot product rule that says that this is equal to the magnitude of the first vector times the magnitude of the second vector times the cosine of the angle between them, we get that the work is the integral of f dx cosine 0. The difference here being that for this particular, this is the dot product, and then this is the dot product written in terms of the product of the magnitudes. So now we're going to apply this. We're going to start at 1 meter. We're going to end at 3 meters. We're going to plug in our function 6x squared minus 4x times dx. So now it's time to take the antiderivative. And so we want the function whose derivative is 6x squared minus 4x. So let's go one piece at a time. First, the antiderivative of 6x squared. We raise the power by 1. So x squared becomes x cubed, and we divide by that new power. So 6 over the new power, 3, is 2. So the antiderivative of 6x squared is 2x cubed. Then we take the antiderivative of 4x. So x to the power 1 turns into x to the power 2, x squared. Divide by that new power. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the antiderivative of 6x squared minus 4x is 2x cubed minus 2x squared. And then we still need to evaluate that at the limits 1 and 3. So to evaluate that at the limits, we plug in 3 first. So that's 2 times 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 squared. Minus, now we plug in the bottom limit. So that's 2 times 1 cubed minus 2 times 1 squared. And the rest is just arithmetic. 2 times 3 cubed is 27, times 2 is 54. So that's 54 minus 2 times 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18. So, and then the next one, we have 2 times 1 cubed is 2, minus 2 times 1 squared is also 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I'm going to ignore that part. 54 minus 18 is 54 minus 10 is 44, minus another 8. 44 minus 8 is 36. So this is 36 Newton meters, which is also 36 joules. So just to recap here what we've done, we have plugged in the function 6x squared minus 4x, taken its antiderivative to get 2x cubed minus 2x squared. Then we plugged in the limits 3 and 1, and what we got the answer 36 joules.